Bali, pinadala na sa akin guys ng Volvo or ang Beaver Truck Center yung estimate ng gagawin sa truck, presyo. Kasama na rin guys yung pagpapalinis natin ng DPF. Papalinisan ko na lahat-lahat yan. Itong ginagawa kong pagbablog regarding sa owner-operator, sineshare ko sa inyong lahat guys. Upang sa ganun magkaroon kayo ng idea, especially yung mga nandito sa Canada na gusto magkaroon o gusto maging owner-operator. Ang buhay ng isang owner-operator guys, hindi ganun kadali kasi marami pang gastusin o maraming maintenance ang truck. No? Pero ang masasabi ko lang, taka lang tayo babawi pag tapos na yung aking tapos na yung truck natin. Maintenance, hindi mawawala yon. Ang truck ko is almost magpa 5 years na siya. So talagang magkakaroon na talaga ng maintenance yon. Pero ang point ko here is siyempre sa lahat ng negosyo may mga maintenance yan. May mga expenses. Yun. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, i-share ko sa inyo kung magkano yung magagastos ko lahat-lahat. Ito, para magkaroon kayo ng reference. Andito lahat sa akin yung email at ipapakita ko yan sa inyo. Yeah! Guys, good morning! Woo! Sabi nga nila, tapos na ang New Year, tapos na ang maraming kain, so time to reset. Reset ng goal. Woo! Ayun guys, sarap na magpapawis. Nakapag rin ako ng isang oras, nakapag treadmill tayo ng isang oras. Ayan guys, andito pa rin tayo sa bahay at ang araw ngayon is Monday. Nag-aabang ako ng sasabihin ng Volvo sa truck natin. Sa previous video vlog natin nga, yun nga, i-diagnose pa. $402 yung diagnosing sa lahat ng mga sinabi nila sa akin. Nakita nyo sa previous, kaya abang-abang lang tayo. Ayan, since tapos na ako nag-treadmill, magsha-shower lang tayo sandali. Si Mrs. tapos ka na ba, Han? Tapos na siya nag-treadmill si Mrs. kanina. At nakahanda na rin ang aalmusalin namin. Yung mga bata pumasok na. Balik na sila sa school, kaya naman ayan guys, mag-shower muna ako, tapos babalik tayo, kain tayo. Ayan, kita yun, basang-basa ako sa pawis. So. Tama lang yun, pagpawisan tayo paminsan-minsan. Para sa ganun healthy. Right, mami? Yes, misis ko. Taligo muna ako. Yes! Your boyfriend? Alright guys, tapos na tayo mag-shower. Pabango naman tayo para bango tayong amuyin ni misis. Kain na tayo, Han? Ang oras na rito, isang oras na. 11 na. Almusal tanghalian. After natin mag-workout. Lakad lang, treadmill lang muna kami ngayon. After namin mag-workout. Ay, kakain tayo. Tara, kain tayo. Yes! Okay, tinix ako ng shop namin. Where are the things at with your truck? Will they have it done today? Not sure yet. Waiting for update. Siyempre dadiagnose pa kasi yung guys yung truck ko. Alamin pa yung mga dapat alamin sa truck. Anyway, tara. Kain tayo guys. Okay, so meron kami dito ni Mrs. yung mga leftover, recycle namin. Ayan. Litson, tapos tinorta mo yun, Han? torta, spaghetti. Dalawa lang naman kasi, yung mga bata. Pumasok, dalawa lang kami ni Mrs. Tara, mag-pray ka na.
The Father, Son, and Spirit, Amen. O Almighty God, bless us with this food that we are about to eat, and so us your grace by guiding our family here towards our daily bread. We ask this through your Son, Jesus Christ. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Spirit, Amen.
Alright guys, tara guys, kain tayo. Kain, yan mo silahan.
Kain tayo, guys.
Kain guys.
Mga leftover lang tong mga kinakain namin.
Galing sa New Year, nung New Year.
Mahirap
na kami nagluto.
Bili ng bili.
Pagtiyagaan natin yung mga leftover na. Marami oh. Meron kaming shrimp. Ito yung beef na sabaw. Tinorta ni Mrs. Lagyan ng kung itlog at saka kung ano man. Yung rice. Litson. Marami pa doon pero yung leftover na lang yan. Naka-freezer yung iba. Guys, kain tayo. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Kain lang kami ni Mrs. Hello?
Hi, it's Karen Bieber. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. All right, so I sent you estimate to your email regarding all your Check 22 items that we inspected.
Okay, so you have the quote. How much should I pay and what are
I sent
those?
it to your email. Yep, I sent it to your email.
Let's
We
gonna
want to
check.
review it together on the phone.
Okay, so yeah, approval request for case 20392946. Note. Okay.
All right,
Nisto.
so we
Okay.
diagnosed your air leak.
Han, ano mo, wait a minute. Han, ano mo nga yung TV yan? Ano mo muna. Okay, so you diagnose, okay?
I sent you an estimate. We looked at your air leak. That's line number 3. And it looks like we need to replace your fitting on the airline because it's chafed.
Okay.
Do you want us to do that? It'll cost $111.65.
Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna check here. Estimate is the very bottom total?
Yep, but I have broken down each line.
Yeah, I see the broken down. So the total parts, labor, shop supply, taxes is 3,640.79.
Yeah.
So first page here, you check and report on active dust check-in code.
Okay, that's done. Line 2 is done for the check 22. And then, so let's look at line number 3.
Okay, number.
It says audible air leak at firewall.
Okay.
You asked us to look at that.
Yeah.
And it looks like you have a fitting that needs to be replaced.
Okay.
$111. Do you want us to do that?
Yeah, sure. $111. Okay.
Okay. And then you asked us to look at the exhaust leak at the diffuser.
Okay.
We will have to reseal the diffuser outlet pipe. To
Cheap.
do the job, it'll be $325.
Okay, so 325, yes.
Approve, okay?
Yeah.
And then, let's see, you asked us to check it for your ABS light on. And
I-
it looks like there is, yeah?
I thought I thought it's the recall for ABS light. It's free for me. Because it's manufacturer. Is it not?
That has nothing to do with this.
Okay.
So, on Friday you spoke and you said you wanted us to look at the Check 22 item. Your ABS light is due to rubbed wires.
Okay.
There's a wire that needs to be fixed.
Okay.
To do that, it'll be $100.50. Do you want us to do that?
Yeah, if it's not with the recall, what it exactly is
The
my
recall is an update for the software.
okay. So did you also happen to done that?
Yes, if it was needed, we're done.
I have a recall, I believe, because it's my truck.
Yep, it's done now. Yeah, it's
Okay.
done.
Okay.
Okay, and then we looked at your right side upper work light not working, and it looks like we need to replace your light. To do the job,
Upper
it'll be
right side in the back.
right side upper work light.
Yeah, the one
Not
that, yeah.
working, so your light needs to be replaced.
Okay.
$148.49.
Okay.
You want that done?
The right side, yes. Just replace that one.
Okay. And then your license plate light is not working. We need to replace your license plate light. That'll be $245. You're okay with that?
No, don't do that. I have to pay. I already have something in my truck that I have to replace it. I can do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we looked at your chassis harness, and it looks like there are multiple spots on the harness that are broken or that have chafed, rubbed. So we can repair the wiring if you want.
What is line? What line is that? Harness 14.
Your chassis harness.
Yeah. So line 14,
Yeah, line 14 and 15.
14 and 15. Okay.
So to do that repair, it'll be about $402.
Okay.
You want us to do that?
Line 14 and 15, 402. Okay, sure. Let's do that.
Okay. And then let's go to line 18. We looked at your oil filler tube leaking, and it looks like we need to replace the O-ring. To do the job, it's $128.
Okay.
Do it?
Yeah.
And then we looked at your washer nozzle spray that was like coming out very lightly.
Washer
it looks
nozzle
like the nozzle
spray.
needs to be replaced.
Okay.
$60.30. Do you want us to do that?
$60.30.
Yeah.
Those are the total, right? Those are the total of the parts.
Yeah. $60.30. Do you want us to do that?
Yes. That's a replace washer
Okay.
nozzle.
And then my tech also noticed that your coolant filter is leaking. We
Coolant-
can replace it for $89.70.
Okay, so
You want us to replace that?
coolant filter is leaking.
Yes.
Coolant filter. Okay, sure. Replace it.
Do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, sounds good. So we'll proceed in working on your unit, okay?
Okay, so the check engine is gone.
Yes, that's all done now.
Only those work that it's need to be done. Okay.
Yeah, just to check 22 items that you've approved.
Okay. So what else need to be done in my truck?
I'm assuming it'll go into tonight or tomorrow.
Oh, so it's gonna be finished until tomorrow.
We can give you a better update this evening if that will help.
Okay.
Okay?
So the misfire, it did not lead to what you call this, the fuel injector.
What do you mean?
Well, I thought it's the causing of those is the fuel injector, is it not? You did not find anything regarding the fuel injector?
I don't have a job for fuel injectors. I have a job for your active code.
Okay.
And we found rubbed wiring.
Okay, so those wirings,
So
okay.
he fixed the wiring already.
Okay.
We looked at your oil leak, and it's just a sweat. It's not a leak yet, so you don't have to be worried about that.
Okay.
All right, and then your steer axle shocks, he tightened them for you, okay?
Okay. I just want to have one question.
Yeah.
So when you're replacing the door of what you call it? Door for my fridge, how much it's cost, including labor?
I don't know how much parts are. You'll have to talk to parts parts about that.
Yeah, because yeah, just asking only if because it's already, you know, it's a wear and tear, you know, it's the fridge, it's already come
Yeah,
off.
like I don't know if we just replace the door. You'll have to talk to parts about that. I don't know if you'll have to replace the whole fridge.
Okay.
You'll have to talk to them on pricing. Do you want me to transfer you?
Yeah, please proceed everything and please transfer me into them. So only need not to be done is the lighting for my back license plate. Yeah, I can fix that. Okay, and okay, please transfer me to this to the what is it, shop or service?
I'll transfer you to service. One moment, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ayan guys, ang dami. Sada, tanong ko muna.
Beaver Truck Center Parts, Mike speaking.
Yes, sir, Mark. It's Lakay Transport here. My truck is in your shop right now. I have just only a question. My fridge is my fridge, you know, the door.
Yeah, I'm listening.
The door of my fridge
Your
is
fridge.
yeah, it's the door is broken, need to be fixed. How much it cost me? Should I have to replace the whole fridge or just the door?
You can usually just buy it. Do you know what the VIN number on your vehicle is?
Oh, hold on. I have a bin number here. So bin number is what do you need? 6-digit last number?
Last 8, please.
284809.
Let's see, refrigerator.
It's wear and tear, you know. It's been almost 5 years next on March, my truck. So thinking about to replace them, or hopefully if it's only the door can be replaced.
Okay, well, I'm temporarily out of stock on it right now. That fridge door is $1,715.
Just the fridge door only?
Just the door, yes.
Okay, so no, I'm not asking right now if you currently. I can probably book an appointment. So is that how many is there? How long it will be installed?
I have no idea how long the labor is to put one on.
I was thinking about to order one and then I can probably go for a YouTube to do it myself. You know, it's hard sometimes to go in the top in this kind of you know, this kind of right now it's hard for trucking. How long it takes when I order one?
See who's got stock.
1,700 for the door, right? 1,700.
Yeah. Got one here. It should be here by the end of the week.
Oh, okay. You know what? I will call you back for that.
Okay.
And also, how long you can do if I have to ask for the DPF?
How long? What? Sorry.
How long it will be done if I ask to clean my DPF?
Oh, like I said, I have no idea. You'd have to call the guys in the service and see, get a labor quote on that. I don't know how long it's going to take.
Oh, okay. You don't know how to. All right. So This is the parts, right? So I have to go back
This
to...
is far side, yes.
Okay, so I have to go back to the service. Yes, can you please forward me to the service, please?
Okay, just a moment, please.
Thank you.
Chris, Southall.
Is unavailable. Thank you. Press 1 to accept this recording. Press 2 to listen to it. Press 3 to re-record your message. Press 0 to reach an operator. Press 1 to accept this recording. Otherwise, please continue to hold. Message deleted. Please hold while I try that extension.
Tanong natin guys doon.
Beaver Truck Center, Jan speaking.
Yes, hi. It's the service, please.
Just hold, please.
Han? Pag-abot mo nga yung bonnet ko, yung brown.
Good afternoon, Beaver Service, Lucky speaking.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. How long it will take if I have to ask for DPF cleaning?
Yeah. So what you looking for?
Clean for DPF. DPF.
DPF cleaning, you wanted to know the cost?
Yeah, I just want to know the cost. Yeah, and how long it will take?
It is approximately $2,000.
Okay.
And suppose if you bring it today morning, and that should be ready tomorrow in the evening. So it takes 2 days.
My truck is already in the shop right now.
Okay, what is the unit number?
2098.
2098.
Yes. I already have a work order in there. If you can just look at it and add it in there, because I want my DPF to be clean.
Hold on 1 second. Let me find out. Okay, you just wanted to add another job for DPF cleaning, right?
Yeah, if I can add on that, since you guys is doing everything in my truck right now, and then if you can just also do the DPF now, since it's...
Okay, alright, and it is gonna cost you another $2,000, and it will take, I believe, I'm not sure.
They said
So,
they are going to give...
Today is
Okay.
Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday is the day when your truck
Today,
is
okay.
getting ready. Yeah.
Is there any way that
So
we can...
is that okay?
Is that any way we can do it tomorrow? Finish tomorrow?
We'll open up the DPS, we'll remove the DPS today, and we'll send for cleaning tomorrow, and they will bring it back Wednesday.
Wednesday. So in the morning or afternoon?
In the afternoon.
It
Yeah.
will be ready. So can you please give me the total, everything, including the one that I have right now, estimate, so that I can prepare the money?
Okay, it is going to take some time. I will get someone to quote you everything. Yeah.
Yes, please give me an update. Okay, say let's do the DPF as well.
Okay, alright,
Al-
I'm gonna add that job.
Okay, so edit everything, the one that I speak with the lady earlier, and because she gave me the quotation, and then please add the DPF cleaning.
Okay, you already approved the all repairs except the license plate light.
Yes,
It's
yes.
gonna be another $2,000 for DPF cleaning.
Okay, is that including with the
Okay,
labor?
alright.
Hello,
Hello?
is that including with the labor?
Yes, including the labor.
Okay, for sure. Thank you. Yeah, send me an updated the quotation, please. Estimate. Okay. Okay. Thank you. All right.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye. Yes! Alright guys, ayan. Nandito lahat yung mga pinag-usapan natin. Uulitin natin itong ibinigay sa akin ng estimate na galing pang Bieber. Ito, updated. Babasahin natin is nandyan yung aking customer name, ngalan ko. So, ito yung check 22. Check and report on active dust at check engine code. Yung black na yan yung sinasabing line 1. Okay, so nandyan yung price, 319. Ano ba sabi? Labor, wire terminal lang yung guys ha. 17. Yung labor ang mahal talaga lang. Tapos, line 2, perform check 22. Labor, wala yan. Sa 3, ayan, sa 3, labor, 201. Okay, so audible leak yan. 140 ang 140.70 total yan guys. Yan yung mga parts. So line for replacing fitting on airline parts. Yan. Labor 201. So operational tools 111.65. So line 5 T4 check and report for exhaust leak diffuser outlet by turbo, sabi niya. Operation total 150. Yung labor, ang tawag nito, yung parts, yung labor, isang oras 201, yun ang mahal. Tapos line 6 serial diffuser outlet pipe, sabi niya rito. Parts, bump clamp, diffuser gasket, 123 ang total plus 201 na kaya pumapalo siya ng 324. 201 yung labor. So report for timing, plate leaking on passenger side upper side, yan yung number 7 na line 7, 140 yung parts. Check number 8, line 8, EV light on, labor lang, chinik lang, walang parts yata to. Correct for chip wiring, $100.50 yung parts. Line 10, yan guys, at labor lang, tapos itong parts. 11, replace right work light, lead work light. Ang price nun is 47 plus labor na 201. Okay, so line 13, replace license plate light. Ito, hindi ko pinagawa ito. License plate light, hindi ko papagawa ito. Meron na akong mga parts doon sa doon sa truck na gagawin ko. Ako nagagawa niyan. So bali 244. Tapos labor. Yun. Makakatipid tayo niyan. Kaya ko nang gawin yan. So check and report for chassis line 14. Harness rub. Ayan. 60. Correct for multiple chop. Wiring 402 including labor. 16, line 16, Transmission outpull seal whipping 150 ang ano, tapos 201 ang labor. 17. Ayan, check and report for oil filters tube leaking. $100.50 plus labor. 18. Replace oil filter tube o-ring. Okay, so ito na. 19. Check and report for washer nozzle spray wick. Okay. $60.30, 201. So replace washer nozzle. So $60.30, $60.30 and 201 ang labor. 21. Replace engine air filter. Ito 155. Tapos ang ang parts niya 140, parts niya 44. Operational total 213 yan. Replace coolant filter leaking. Ayan. So labor 201. Ayan, parts 89.70. Ayan, nakita nyo lahat. So parts is 467 lang yung parts niya. Yung labor ang mahal. Pumalo siya ng 2,739.90. Shop supply 260. Taxes 173.37. Total 3,640.79. Ito yun guys, yung bawas na lang natin yung isa na hindi ko pinagawa, yung license plate light ako nagagawa nun. Nasa 300 plus yun. Ayan. Tapos yun nga, yung DPF palinis ko na. Kailangan ko na magpalinis ng DPF guys. $2,000 ang pagpapalinis ng DPF. Yes! Kaya so 3,600 plus 2,000, so 5,600 ang magiging niya guys, magiging babayaran natin dito. Pero ipapadala pa sa akin yung updated mamaya na gawa nga ng, siyempre nagpadagdag tayo. Ito na yata, pinadala na yata. Okay, so ito. Okay, may ipinadala na niya guys. Okay, sabi niya, Karen Molina, following note, customer. Approve all repairs except the license plate light. Ito yung sinabi niya, in-email sa akin. Ay, nipapadala sa akin niya at yung basta yung estimate nito guys is 5,300 siguro. 5,300 ang magagastos natin. Antayin ko pa. Papalinis na natin lahat bago tayo lumarga para matapos na. Alright guys, update tayo mamaya. Ito guys, tumatawag ulit ang Volvo. Hello?
Hi, Nestor. It's Karen at Beaver. How are you?
Yes, I'm okay. How are you?
Good. I know you approved the work light, but it looks like parts quoted you the wrong part. The correct part price is $307 instead of $48. Do you still want that job done?
Which one?
The work lamp.
Work lamp?
Replace right work light.
I have
Originally,
I pictured that in my mind. You know what? Just don't include that one because I still have one in the left. It's been a while. Right now, those lights,
Yeah,
I can
no problem.
probably fix those. I can just buy somewhere in else and just gonna do it myself, I guess, or buy.
Okay, sounds good. I'll mark it as declined for now, okay?
Yeah, decline that for now, but give me an updated for all in all because I asked the guy earlier with the DPF cleaning.
Yeah.
Yeah, so give me an updated the one, and I need to get my DPF cleaning as well done.
Yeah, so he added that job already for you.
Okay, so how
Okay.
much it are you giving me a different one estimation, or
No, he quoted whatever he quoted you is correct.
how much is in total now
I think he quoted you about $2,000.
for that? Yes, and then the one that you give me estimate, I declined the two lights, right? So
Clamp and a license plate light, yeah. Hold on, okay, 1 second.
yes.
So your estimate will be about $5,400.
$5,400. Is that you remove the two? You
I removed them.
so you before it's 3,600. Then you remove two.
Yes, so with the DPF clean, and if you had approved the work lights, it would be about $6,054. But now that I removed it, it's that $5,000.
So work light and then the license plate.
Yeah,
Do you remove the license plate?
I removed them. Yes.
Okay, so you remove two, right? Work light
Yes,
and the license
both of
plate. Okay, so 5,000.
Erase now. Hold on.
Okay.
$5,400 plus taxes, approximately.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you please email me that one, please?
Yeah, it'll still show the work lamps because I can't remove them. But yeah, just subtract the two totals. Okay.
Okay, so when I get into
Resend
so
it
when
to you.
so when I get into the into to pay it, it's supposed to be zero in there because it's not gonna be done, right?
Yeah, just subtract it. I can't remove it or I'll have to delete it. But I just wrote here, I'm going to resend it to you, revise, just minus the two lights repair, okay?
It's minus the two lights repairs. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I'll
It'll
wait for
still
it.
show it on here because I can't remove it.
Okay. But it
I've
don't.
written customer declined.
Okay.
We're not going to do the work.
Okay. All right.
Okay, thank you. Have a
Okay.
good day.
Oh wait. How long it will? When is gonna be done so I can update my.
Yeah, this won't be done because we still have to remove the DPF, so I don't know if we'll be able to send it today. We'll probably send it out tomorrow, and then it takes a day and a half for it to come back.
Okay.
So
So
I would say Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
Okay. Today is Monday, so tomorrow Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. Sure.
Wednesday.
I'll update my
Okay,
dispatch
bye-bye.
then. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Alright guys, ayun, pinadala na naman sa akin yung yung bagong updated na. Ito, sinasabi niya. So, makikita natin dito sa pinakababa na kasi dinagdag ko na nga yung DPF. Okay, so replace service, remove DPF, clean. $2,000.50. Yung labor niya, bali ang labor pala nito guys is 703. Big sabihin nito 246. 600 tapos 3.5 hours kasi 703.50, so ibig sabihin $100.50 yung kalahating oras, 3 oras at kalahati. Pagtanggal at pagbalik nila. Ayan. Kaya ito pumapalo ko ng $2,000.50 DPF cleaning. Yan, so sa baba ang total ko is 6,054.41, pero yun nga sinasabi nga niya sa akin yung babae kanina na i-remove lang natin yung yung dalawang parts na kailangan hindi nila gagawin kasi dinecline ko yung ilaw lang naman yun hindi naman yun talaga mandatory kumbaga sa kasi matagal nang hindi ko inano yun yung work light dito sa right side. Papakita ko sa inyo sa susunod. Kaya ko nung gawin ko na lang. But anyway guys, ayan, so update na lang ulit kung ano yung mangyayari. Sana matapos na nila. Tatawagan ko rin yung aking dispatch. Sasabihin ko rin sa kanila na Miyerkules available yung truck. Yan. Ito paano. Sana na ito upang sa ganun matapos na. Wala na tayong problema. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo the whole year. Last year na rin ni Cordape ngayon sa pagbabayad ko sa kanya. Matatapos ko siya by October kung may awa si Lord. Yan. Yun, doon pa lang tayo makakabawi pag bayad na yung truck natin. Ngayon, talagang paluwal muna. Wala tayong magagawa. Pero, sa gandaan, meron tayong itatabi. Yun ang maganda. Magtabi ka para hindi ka na mabaon sa utang pag maganda biyahe. Ayan guys, nakita nyo ang buhay ng owner operator dito sa Canada. Yan. No? At, nakita nyo, ipapakita ko, o ipinakita ko sa inyo yung work order estimate sa truck ko. Ayan guys. Ayan. So paano guys, putulin ko na ang vlog ko at thank you for watching. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. Once again, is Lakay Tracker here. Buhay owner operator sa Canada. Salamat sa suporta. What's up guys? Bye. Love you all.
Lakay Tracker.